Welcome to one of the most advanced cement factories in the world. I'm Carlos, and I work here for over 15 years. From the quarry to the final bag, every step is precision engineered. Let's start where it all begins, with the earth itself. Follow me.
Cement production begins here, in the quarry. This limestone deposit is over 200. Each layer tells a story of geological history, and each contains the calcium carbonate we need for cement.
Clear to dump, bring it in slow.
Roger that, backing up now. Watch the rig on the left.
First, we drill precise holes into the rock face, each one carefully positioned for optimal fragmentation.
Explosive charges are placed according to computer-calculated patterns, maximizing rock breakage while minimizing environmental impact.
All units, confirm clear of the blast zone.
K-Tech 2, clear. K-Tech 4, clear.
We are clear, countdown proceeding.
In seconds, we've freed 50,000 tons of raw material, enough to produce cement for 2,000 homes. Each truck carries up to 100 tons per trip, making hundreds of journeys every day. The primary crusher reduces boulders the size of cars into pieces smaller than a basketball.
This conveyor carries 1,500 tons of limestone per hour directly to the factory home, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Inside the storage hall, limestone is blended in layers to ensure consistent chemical composition throughout production.
The reclaimer cuts through all layers at once, blending material from different quarry zones for perfect chemistry. Limestone alone isn't enough. We add clay for silica and alumina, iron ore for iron oxide, each essential for cement chemistry.
Refrigerants. The exact recipe varies by cement type unit, but typically 80% limestone, 15% clay.
Accuracy is critical. Even 1% deviation can affect final cement quality. Our systems maintain 0.5% precision.
So we've got our perfectly proportioned raw materials ready. Now comes the transformation, grinding them into powder finer than flour. That building houses one of the largest grinding mills in the industry. Let's go inside.
The vertical roller mill, heart of the raw grinding department. This single machine can process 500 tons of material per hour.
Inside, raw materials fall onto a rotating table. Hydraulic rollers weighing 30 tons each crush.
An air separator spins at 90 RPM, allowing only particles finer than 90 microns to pass. returning larger pieces for regrinding.
Every aspect of grinding is monitored in real time. Operators balance efficiency against quality, adjusting dozens of parameters.
Ground raw meal is stored in homogenizing silos, each holding 10,000 tons, enough for 3 days of production. The preheater tower, standing 400 feet tall, is where raw meal first encounters
Raw meal descends through 6 stages while 1,000-degree kiln gas rise upward, efficiently transferring heat before material reaches the kiln.
Each cyclone creates a perfect vortex. Centrifugal force separates powder from gas, dropping material to the next stage while gases rise.
In the calciner, temperatures reach 900 degrees Celsius. Here, a critical chemical reaction occurs. Calcium
plus C's heat equals CaO plus CO2.
Again, the material has lost 35% of its weight as CO2 will. But the real magic happens in there.
The rotary kiln. 230 feet of rotating steel tube, lined with heat-resistant brick, slowly turning. Shell temperature monitoring helps operators detect hotspots or refractory wear before problems develop. The main burner fires 12 tons of fuel per hour, creating a flame longer than a football field. This is where cement clinker is born.
At 1450 degrees, partial melting occurs. Calcium oxide reacts with silica and aluminum.
Clinker nodules form between 3 and 25 millimeters, their size and color indicating proper burning conditions.
Modern kiln burners are engineering marvels, precisely controlling flame shape, temperature, and fuel efficiency. Today, many plants substitute 40% or more of traditional fuel with alternative fuels, reducing both costs and environmental impact.
Fresh clinker exits the kiln at 1300 degrees Celsius and must be rapidly cooled phase, preserving the reactive minerals that give cement its strength.
Properly cooled clinker drops to under 100 degrees Celsius in minutes, Bill, ready for storage and final grinding into cement. Clinker storage holds weeks of production, allowing continuous cement grinding even during kiln maintenance.
This is cement clinker, the result of 2,000-degree transformation. But it's not cement yet. For that, we need to grind it to a powder.
The finish mill, final transformation from rocky clinker to the fine gray powder we recognize as cement.
Cement isn't just ground clinker. We add 4 to 5% gypsum to control setting time, plus limestone or slag to create different cement types.
Without gypsum, cement would set almost instantly when mixed with water, far too fast to be workable. Material travels 15 meters through 2 grinding chambers twos, emerging as powder with specific surface area over 3,000.
The finished cement is so fine that individual particles are invisible to the naked eye, yet each one is a tiny package of chemical potential.
Finished cement is pneumatically conveyed to storage silos, each holding up to 15,000 tons of product ready for dispatch.
Quality control is the guardian of every bag leaving the factory. Our laboratory runs over 200 tests daily.
Tougher. The Blaine test measures cement fineness by air permeability, say. Finer cement means faster strength development.
Compressive strength testing is the ultimate quality measure. Our cement consistently exceeds 40 MPa at 28 days. X-ray fluorescence reveals exact chemical composition in minutes, ensuring every batch matches our precise specifications.
Everything looks correct. The data confirms proper clinker mineralogy, just as we expected from the sample.
Only after passing all tests does cement receive quality certification, our guarantee to every customer.
Our packaging lines fill 3,000 bags per hour, each one automatically weighed to within 200 grams of the target weight.
For large construction projects, bulk cement is more efficient. A single tanker carries 30 tons, equivalent to 600 bags. Each day, over 100 trucks depart carrying 5,000 tons of cement to construction sites, distributors, and concrete plants across the region.
From our factory to foundations, bridges, buildings, and cities, cement connects the modern world.
What an incredible journey, from ancient limestone to the cement that builds our future. Every step.
I'm incredible and interested and grateful you joined us behind the scenes. If you enjoyed Quarrying, please subscribe.
Look how far we've come.
It's beautiful work.